Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So how to check your Wi-Fi password in Windows 11. So let's say if you are connected to a Wi-Fi network and you want to know the password of this Wi-Fi. So in order to check your Wi-Fi password, it's extremely easy to do that. What you can do, you can just get into the settings. In the settings of your Windows, on the left hand side you can see network and internet. Select that. So on the top of the list we have Wi-Fi. Here we have wireless world property. So basically this is the name of my Wi-Fi wireless world. So get into the properties. Here we have the list of this this is basically details of this Wi-Fi. So if you scroll down, you can see advanced Wi-Fi network properties. So edit this. So this is the basically the menu we want to get. Here in the security tab we have this network security key. This is your Wi-Fi password. So if you show character, it will show you the character and the password of your current connected Wi-Fi, and that's how you get your Wi-Fi password in Windows 11. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel so we can make more videos.